Hey guys, it's Guru. I am back with one package Mailday from CnC with a member on CnC and two packs of 13-14 score. So I'm really excited to open up the new score. I bought these two packs at my local Target. So I'm going to open these up after I open up this package from CnC. It was a small trade, but let's get to it. So really nice packaging in the plastic bag, but that's still fine. And in this case, as you guys could see, hold on guys. So got it open. Oh, and he sent me some cards, strictly sport cards. So that's really nice. Thank you for that. He also has a YouTube account which is called Strictly Sports Cards. So guys, go check that out. I'm not sure if he has any videos, but so I made a trade for this 12-13 Panini Game Worn Gear Prime out of 50 of James Neal. So you guys could see it's 46 out of 50. Really nice two-color swatch there from this year's anthology. So that is up for trade or for sale if anyone's interested in it. And now on to the two packs of score. Looking for some nice rookie or insert. My first insert is a net cam of Carey Price and team leaders of the Florida Panthers: George Peros, Jacob Markstrom, Thomas Kopecky, and a Thomas Fleischman, and a gold of Michael Delzato. So not bad, first pack there. On to the second pack. Hot rookies of Brian Lashoff and a gold of Keith Yandel. So that is pretty much it, guys. All these cards are up for trade or for sale. If you guys see anything, I'm not sure if any of these are red backs. Let me just check really quickly. No, not that I'm aware of. So thank you guys for watching. And this card's up for trade for sale as well. And I'll see you guys next time.